I'm Habbid Judes. I work at the TDTS department as a tool maintenance team member. On TDTS, we schedule the injection molds maintenance. We receive them in our shop. We clean them. We take a precise measurement to ensure that everything matches with the blueprints. We replace any worn out parts. We assemble and check them back again. I enjoy that every maintenance is a new challenge to perform my 100%. I enjoy that I have to be 100% focused on my job to get a perfect maintenance. In that way, we're gonna guarantee to get perfect parts. I enjoy also be working here in a very clean environment and with these amazing people in Starlim. The skills who help me to contribute to my success is the communication in between departments to make sure that we are aligned to find a common success. I really enjoy working and having a good time here in Starlim, North America.